This progression is from the song called Carnival of Frost. To play this progression, we are using capo on the first fret, and we are playing a bar chord F sharp, F sus2 here. So holding this chord, we gotta pluck 5, 4, 3, 4. So 5, 4, 3, 4, 2. Then we again go 3, 4. So then we do a hammer on with the second finger on the second string. So then we pluck third string after that. So 5, 4, 3, 4, that 2, but we gotta do hammer on at the end. So then we change the chord shape. We hold 11th fret on the 5th string. Then we have 10, 10 on the 4th and 3rd string, and we have 8 on the 2nd string, holding this shape. So this is like a F sus2 with the G sharp on the bass. Like the plucking remains same. So we have 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Again we do hammer on the 2nd string. Then we have 3rd string. So then we have the next chord. We just keep the index finger and the ring finger on the same 2nd string 8th fret, and ring finger on the 3rd string 10th fret. We add the little finger on the 4th string 11th fret, and using the 5th string as open, this goes in like a B flat minor shape here. So plucking is same again. So we get that nice bass on that open string there. Then we have a C sharp here shape. So I'm just holding a dominant shape of C sharp here. So holding this shape, we gotta pluck 5, 4, 2, 4. So 5, 4, 2, 4. Then we gotta slide into D sharp. So we gotta 5, 4, 2, 4. Then we gotta slide in to the 6th fret from 4th fret to. Then we go 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, then we open that. So again. So that's for a D sharp. So from C sharp, I'm just telling the chord shape related to the actual fret names. Okay, so don't get confused with the related to the capo. Then again we go back to the first chord F. Same C sharp. Now we go here. We go to C minor shape here. Like we have 6th string 8th fret, 4th string 8th fret, and we have 2nd string 8th fret. So we go 6, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. So from C sharp. So second bar will be